we are facing today. So where do we see BAs in 10 years now? What are the trend? What are the things coming down the line? Is AI going to replace you? Because we have that, I think we have that fear. AI is replacing everyone, is replacing me, is replacing developers, is replacing everyone. But do we think really, because at the end, if you look at it from the baseline, can really be something that changed drastically in that way for me.
It will change, not drastically, but I was laughing about the AI, but a lot of communities, even the product communities, are already discussing, will we be replaced? And I'm saying no to that. I already work with the technology a little bit. So I'm saying no, but we need to learn how to leverage the technology. And I think the skills will shift. The skills and how we approach to our work will change, but still the BA will be needed. And by saying so, and I also hear that on a lot of conferences, that we need to leverage this technology. What does it mean? We need to, I like this quote, we need to learn and unlearn what we have learned. Because we need to start thinking a little bit differently. Like AI will change how we approach to technology because it's, for example, conventional, looking at ChatGPT. Yeah, it's very conversational. In case of you said we will be replaced by the IE. IE can help you to create your artifacts that we have discussed. For example, backlog, for example, user story, acceptance criteria, like that. But AI will not understand the problem if you will not get enough information about the problem. And you will never be able to do so. Like, we are humans, and humans need to speak with the humans to understand the problem, emotions connected to those problems, to know where to look the information. And yeah, the whole ID part, part, is knowing a lot of information, but still you have to know how to use them. And again, the role of the BA is asking why this information is crucial for me, how this information can be valuable or needed to make this decision. Is this even the information that I was looking for? So we will be sort of subject matter experts with this related to this technology to a little bit understand if this technology helps us or it's hallucinating. And I think still we will be needed, and we will use this technology only for those tasks, at least for now. I'm not saying 10 years from now, but I think in the nearest future, we will, for those companies that will allow us to use this technology, because not all of the companies feel secure right now to use it. But I know many of cases already from different communities that, for example, product owners use the ChatGPT to, I don't know, summarize the meeting or get rid of the boring task. This technology is very good at dealing with those kind of tasks that we can, then take ourselves, read it through, correct, and if needed, put it somewhere, store it somewhere, send to someone. Yeah, but it's not very creative, because you have to be creative to give this tool enough information to give you the right text and the context and the emotions, and as I said, the whole thing that we are in, and the machine will not yet understand it. But maybe in the future, I'm not saying no. It's not. It will not be possible. But you asked me about also what is the trend in the 10 years. So I'm saying use the technology wisely. And I'm not saying about only AI, because there is a lot of new tools like no-code solutions, etc. There are some platforms that also allows you to make few things, not only in UML, but to model the processes in a different way, more user-friendly, etc. Some of the people invest their skills and time in understanding the design, because I think also the design part is very important when it comes to what problem we would like to solve, but also how do we would like to solve it. When it comes to usability of your tool that you are building, whatever the tool is, yes, still the technology is very important. And this I would say the most important skills right now for a BA is the curiosity. To be curious. I'm even thinking that the IT per, persons, the IT experts are right now as very similar to medical doctors. They need to learn and learn and learn. You cannot stop right now, because if you do, you will not be in the role in few years, because the tools are changing, like you said, with Gen AI, and not only this one. The tools are changing. The world is changing. It's so rapid that if you stay with one language for many, many years and you don't want to learn a new framework, and you are the developer, so you know what I'm saying. If you're not learning new frameworks, new languages, maybe a little bit of Python right now in interest, maybe using ChatGPT only to get familiar with the tool, you will not be you will not be up to date. Simply speaking, yeah. And it will be a problem if you will not be up to date in this business.
I think that's what I wasn't expecting, that learn and learn and learn thought, which is totally true. It's applicable everywhere right now, not just RVs. I think in any role, I think that would be kind of key. Uh, I think